Welcome to another Caketastic Cakes video, everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to make the gray bow you see at the top of the picture here. This is the baby shower collection that I made, and these colors are all specific, so you can make whatever colors you want, but we're going to start with the bow, and there are going to be more in the series. So I already made one side of the bow just as a template, just so it's easy to measure up and make them the same size. All you do is roll out a long rectangle. See how I'm trimming it at an angle? That's where it's going to taper down into the middle of the bow. Trim it off. Make sure you maintain your loop there. Just add a little bit of water on a paintbrush to this very center. And then I placed them next to each other and just kind of matched them up. And you see how I'm cutting it down in the center with the knife? You can't have it stick out too far. It just doesn't look right. But by smushing it down, you're also getting a little more depth and interest in the shape of the bow. And just press them together. That's it. Just make sure your bow stays big and poofy in those loops. This piece I'm working on here is just a long, thin strip. I'm folding over the edges. That's going to be the center piece. You see how I did that? Just roll it out, and all I did was pick it up and wrap it around a couple times and seal it with some water. And I'm using my Wilton tool. I don't know what it's called. It makes impressions. I'm using the one to make it look like there's a seam. I just went around the edges of the lace. And that is it. This is going to be the two pieces of the ribbon. This was going to go on the side of a cake, so I had to ship it, so I couldn't put it all together. So I just took the two pieces, wrinkled them up, wrinkled it up, and put it together with the bow, and that was it. Easy. See how it all sits nice and neat together? If you like this, please subscribe and follow along for the rest of the series to see the rest of the pieces I made here. Thank you very much. Bye.